It was a warm day in August. A little crow hopped in the woods. The crow saw a red fox. The fox gnawed on a bone he held in his paws. "Hello," said Crow. "I make this sound. Caw! Do you caw too?" Fox snapped, "No, I bark." Then he went back to gnawing. Crow saw a fawn. "Caw! Do you caw too?" Crow asked. Fawn looked up with a yawn. She shook her head no and went back to napping. Crow saw a frog. "Caw! Do you caw too?" he asked. "No, I croak," Frog said. He jumped in the pond with a splash. A snake slid by. "Caw! Do you caw too?" Crow asked. "So sorry," said Snake. "I don't caw, I hiss." She slid away. Crow stopped. The fox, the fawn, the frog, and the snake did not caw. Was he the only one who cawed? Then, high above, he heard, "Caw, caw, caw." It was Mother Crow. She landed on the path below. She could caw too.